What's going on, everybody? Jordan here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on a couple products from CRUSHER'S Creations Beard Co. Alrighty, so in this video I'll be discussing True Gentleman, which is the January scent of the month from CRUSHER'S Creations, and Oil and Butter in their Emu oil blend that they sent out for me to test and review. And then I'll have CRUSHER'S Creations linked down below if you want to check them out, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I definitely recommend these products. Let's talk about why. Alrighty, so in this video I'll be discussing some company info, products available, the scent that I have here, and then the rest of the scents will be linked down below. And then ingredients for the oil and butter, and then my thoughts on these products, and then final conclusion and verdict. Let's talk about CRUSHER'S Creations. Alrighty, so CRUSHER'S Creations is owned by husband and wife, Brian and Crystal. They have 3 ambassadors. They're a small batch beard company, handmade products. They're based in New Bern, North Carolina. Founded in 2018 and then reopened in 2019. Next, let's discuss the products available. Alrighty, so the beard oil is going to run you $18 US. 2-ounce beard butter or beard balm are going to run you $20 US. And then the oil and butter combos in the Emu blend are $39, and the oil and butter combos in the standard blend is $37 US. And then a custom Emu oil is $32, and a custom beard butter is also $32, and then a custom standard line beard oil is $30, and then they have 5 milliliter samples for $7 US, and then they have beard wash soaps, which are $10 each, and then co-wash for $13, and then they have colognes 25 to 40 depending on the scent, and then they have women's lines products, so $18 for hair skin oil and $20 for utility butter, and then they have merch ranging from $25 to $30, beanie $22, stickers are $6, t-shirts are $20, enamel mug is $20, hoodies are $40, and then they also have tattoo renew balm, which is $6 for 1 ounce and $20 for a 2 ounce. Next, let's talk about the scent that I have here today. Alrighty, so the scent True Gentleman is cedar, saffron, black amber, sweet tobacco, leather, and oud. And I have all the other scent profiles linked down below on the website if you want to check them out. Just want to make this video more efficient, so I'm going to read through every single one in the video, but check them out down below. Lots of cool scent profiles. Next, let's talk about the ingredients. Alrighty, so the ingredients for the beard oil for the Emu blend is 50% Emu oil and then 50% standard blend. And the standard blend is meadow foam seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, organic hemp seed oil, and babassu oil. And then the standard blend is all those things I just mentioned minus the Emu oil. And then for the beard butter, it's meadow foam seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, Emu oil, sweet almond oil, organic hemp seed oil, shea butter, beeswax, lanolin, coconut butter, and coconut oil. Next, let's talk about my thoughts on these products. Alrighty, so with these products, labels are really cool. The clear glass beard oil bottles have restrictor tops. They look really nice as well. Really solid carrier oil blend and ingredients. Make my beard feel soft. Oil is medium viscosity and golden yellow colored, as you can see there. Also, obviously a B-roll, but nice and golden. Medium viscosity for sure. Beard butter has a bit of beeswax, but still smooth and breaks down pretty quickly in my hands. The text is a bit difficult to read on the beard oil bottles, but just a small cosmetic thing. And the beard butter containers are cool as well. True Gentleman wasn't what I was expecting based on the scent profile. It was a lot sweeter than I was expecting. My scent duration was 6 to 8 hours during my testing, but may vary depending on how you use it, if you're outside or what you do for work. And then every time that I used it, my skin initially reacted like it does with scents that have cinnamon fragrance oils in them. And cinnamon's not listed on the scent profile, but when I was chatting with Brian, the owner of CRUSHER'S Creations, he eventually mentioned that there might be some cinnamon in it, but wouldn't say for sure. The way my skin reacted for the first 10 to 15 minutes whenever I used this scent makes me pretty sure that that there is cinnamon in there. Brian did say eventually, after talking for a bit and asking him more questions, that there were a few spices, but wouldn't say which ones, despite me saying that I did need to know because my skin doesn't react well to cinnamon, so if it's in there, I need to know. He did offer to send out another scent, so he was willing to do that, but I said I'll stick with this one. And then, so if you have an allergy, bad reaction to cinnamon fragrance oils, I would say avoid the scent. Check out some of CRUSHER'S other scents that definitely seem pretty solid as well. yeah, overall feel of the beard is pretty good. Definitely enjoyed these products. I'm not crazy about the scent, but pretty solid overall. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, so solid feeling beard, 6 to 8 hour scent duration. Wasn't crazy about True Gentleman, like I said, sweeter than I was expecting. I'm not crazy about the sweeter scents. I don't like when scents irritate even temporarily my skin like this one did, due to likely cinnamon. Oil and beard butter packaging labels were pretty nice. The beard oil label text was a bit hard to read. If cinnamon irritates your skin, definitely avoid this scent. But I definitely recommend that you check out CRUSHER'S anyway. Check out some of their other scents. Lots of different scents available, different products. Shout out to Brian from CRUSHER'S for sending out these products for me to test out. To Wayne on Shaveless for getting in contact with me about doing a review for CRUSHER'S Creations. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down below if you've tried CRUSHER'S Creations. We'll be back for more soon. Peace.